Mayur is saying, sir, please explain again in Nifty inventory adjustment happened today, why you are expecting it and logic behind it. In Nifty inventory adjustment, okay, let me check. We'll see both on Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you look at the trade facilitation, it is very, very poor. Now, I actually was not expecting a big up move. First, let me clear that. Okay, I was not expecting a big up move in the indices. It has happened. It was a possibility. Why it was a possibility? Because of poor trade facilitation. Now see what I can, the moment I look at this chart, what I see, okay, we have gone down nicely, we have left behind some clear references, we are moving higher. How are we moving higher in terms of P shapes? So what does that tell me? That higher prices are bringing in some selling that might those sellers might hold on to their position. They're not doing intraday trading. Okay, and then what you get a sweep or failed auction or a stop hunt. And then the important question arises, if this is a stop hunt, if all the business to the upside is finished, there is no new business, then what the auction should do? The auction should go down to find buyers. Great. Is it doing a good job of going down? No. Why? Because if I split this also, you see, you try to go down in A period, B period, C period, and then stop. Again, A period, B period, stop. H period, I is just one tick, stop. What is happening here? We do not have to work hard to find buyers, it seems. Auction goes a little lower, buyers are coming in. Auction goes a little lower, buyers are coming in. Goes a little lower, buyers are coming in. We are not even able to tag this poor low. We are not even able to repair all this poor structure. What does that tell me? Someone is buying, right? Someone is buying. They might be retail traders. They might be amateur traders. They will be punished eventually. But right now they are making sure that the market is not going lower. So how are the smart money going to take care of these retail traders? What is happening? Every pullback is finding some selling, and every time market falls a little, buying is coming in. So how we can visualize is that all these areas where some selling was happening, a test happened, so selling happened, test happened, we go down. Now we are seeing profit booking. Now we are seeing profit booking again profit booking. So every time there is a rally, selling comes in because market is going lower. But every time the market goes lower, it stalls and goes sideways. So that means profit booking is happening. Make sense? So how are we going to take care of all this profit booking? You tell me. If retail traders are selling here, how are we going to stop them from selling? By rising rapidly. By what happens when you rise rapidly? All these stop losses above these highs are taken out. What are stop losses? These are they have sold, so these are buy stops. So all these are buy orders. So right now what is happening? Amateur traders are selling here, buying again, selling here, buying again. So when they are booking at lower prices and selling at higher prices, they have the inventory, they are in control of the auction. But now they have sold, market goes lower and then immediately opens higher, takes out all their stop losses. So all the sellers who had all these stop losses, they are taken out, they have bought back their shorts, and when they were buying back their shorts, who was matching them in terms of shorts? It is the smart money. So when this inventory adjustment happens, what do I mean by inventory adjustment? All these buy orders, they are taking all the short traders, retail traders out of the markets. And who's coming into the markets? Smart money via these shorts. So basically all the short positions, right, they went from amateur traders to smart money. This is that inventory transfer that is happening. So if you have to transfer shorts, market has to go higher. If you have to transfer longs, market has to go lower. Now let's say this is what the smart money wanted to do. Now what should we expect? We should expect lower prices. Simple, as simple as that. If this does not happen, then we know that something is wrong, or maybe this consolidation is not yet over and it will take more time for all this inventory transfer to complete, for smart money to correctly assess the situation and then play their hand, and then take retail traders out of business. And that is when this kind of confusion is going on, what do we get? we get consolidations. So if the market does not go lower sharply, and then if I say I can say that I have a crystal ball and I am saying that the consolidation is going to continue, for some more time. This consolidation is not over. Don't get into shorts. Don't get into longs, and I can kind of predict, right? And I can get a lot of credibility to sell my courses. Right? What is the point there? It's simple logic, all right? If the buyers cannot move the prices lower, something is fishy. Whatever we are seeing on the charts is not what actually is happening. So we might have to give it more time to give us more clarity. As simple as that. So that is how you should look at the markets, and that will help you a lot.